Okay, good morning, parents. I wanted to do a video to show what to look for in the math section. I did the reading earlier this morning, and I wanted to do the math. So once you're in the math, what you do is click on math or launch. Now to pull up the PDF that I had in the lesson, you just click on ebook. You can maximize it. And then it brings it up to the page that we're on in the lesson that we're on. And as you see, this is the page that I did. And I would suggest that the student select the pen and write in the PDF, and then there's no way to save it, so just take a picture of it once the pages are completed and submit it on Class Dojo under the assignment for the lesson. I wanted to show to look at any assignments. You would go under to do and click on more, and then you would click on due later. Okay, this is the actual homework. You would only need to look at this. I assigned it here just in case you do not want to use the PDF. You want to have it printed out and have them do it that way. Then you could take a picture that way. Otherwise, you can just use the PDF, and you don't need this file. But I will assign it either way, so you do have the option. The next is a quiz. It's a self-check quiz just to check the student's knowledge. It's only 5 questions. They can answer the questions within the PDF and then submit for grade. And that's pretty much it for that. Then I also have, even though I went over the lesson, for those that struggle and need additional support and actually need more visual resources, here is a video that compares the numbers using the base 10s. Just click on this and it will bring it up for the video. And then here's one where it's comparing numbers showing how to use the number chart to compare the numbers to see which one is greater. So you can look at those videos out here to look at as much as needed to get full understanding. So those are the only things that are listed. So this is how you would know what is assigned for the week for math or for the day, because math is a little different than reading. With math, we do lessons every day, and with reading, we do a unit every week. So the unit stretches out for the week in ELA, but in math, the lessons will be daily. So it's going to be a different lesson on the next day. So you will need to check this area every day, daily. If you have any questions, just email me on Class Dojo, and I'll be more than happy to assist. Have a good day.